Okay, so this question talks about working out the area of this shape. Now, we don't have a formula for calculating the area of a L shape, but what we do have is we have a formula for calculating the area of a rectangle, where a rectangle would have a length and a height, measured at right angles to each other, and the area would equal the length times the height. So we can break this up into rectangles different ways. I'm just simply going to go down there. So this rectangle has an area of 10 times 2, so 20 square centimetres. Again, always remember the units, really important. And for this one, we've got to be careful. The length of this is not 8, because the 8 goes all the way across, but we knew that this was 2 centimetres, because it's a rectangle here, so it has the opposite length the same. So therefore this bit here must be 6 centimetres, and so the area of this one is equal to 6 times 2. So 12 square centimetres. So it says work out the area of the shape, so we need the total area. So the total area is going to be 20 plus 12, so 32. Again, we need the units. Although they give the units in the question, get in the habit of writing units down for every answer that involves measurements, and then you won't miss those question marks where they don't give you the units and expect you to do it. Okay, so that's working out the area of a shape that can be split up into rectangles. This question is asking us to rotate this triangle on a grid around the centre 0, 0. So the first thing to notice is that we need to mark down the centre. Now you should use a piece of tracing paper for this, but I've got another technique that doesn't involve tracing paper, so I'm going to use that, and that's what I call the L technique. And the L technique basically means I take from the centre an L to reach one of the vertices of the shape itself, and I rotate the L, and then that will move the triangle to the same in the same direction, and then it follows it round. So it says rotate the triangle 90 degrees clockwise, so we've got to remember clockwise means go to the right. So 90 degrees clockwise, then this L is going to go down there, so it's going to go 1 down, and it's going to be 2 along. And the triangle followed it, so that corner means that goes across there, and that's going to go down 1, and then we join it up. Now in your exams you must use a ruler to make sure it's neat and tidy and within the accuracies of the question, but I'm just showing quickly what goes on. So again, tracing paper would make this quicker and neater. But I can use this L method, it works just the same. So that's how you can do a rotation of 90 degrees clockwise. We could check by choosing another point, and this point here, the L would have been 1 along and 4 across, so 1 down and 4 across, so that corner's gone right. This one here was 2 across and 2 there, so it'll go 2 down and 2 there, so it works. Okay, so that's how we can do a rotation. Marking the centre of the rotation first, and then doing the rotation in an appropriate way.